Let's be honest, style over 40 isn't about chasing trends. It's about mastering the basics, refining what you already know, and making sure that every piece in your wardrobe serves a purpose. A man in his 40s doesn't have time to waste on experimenting with fashion. He needs reliable, timeless pieces that make him look sharp and confident without effort. But most men, they overlook the small details. They stick to what they've always worn, not realizing that their style needs to evolve with them. You don't need a closet full of designer clothes to look great. What you need are the right basics, upgraded. These are the pieces that separate a man who just throws something on from a man who looks put together, intentional, and effortlessly stylish. And here's the thing, most guys already own some version of these items, but they're wearing them wrong. The wrong fit, the wrong fabric, or just the wrong mindset about how these pieces should work. So let's break it down. If you want to look like a gentleman, if you want to carry yourself with presence, these are the essential wardrobe upgrades you need to make. The sport coat that works for everything. Most guys hear sport coat and think of stiff, old-fashioned blazers that they only pull out for weddings or business meetings. But the truth is, a great sport coat is one of the most versatile pieces a man over 40 can own. The problem is, most men either don't wear one at all, or they wear one that's completely wrong for their body type. A sport coat should enhance your natural frame, not fight against it. If it's too structured, with heavy padding in the shoulders, it makes you look stiff and outdated. If it's too relaxed, it loses its purpose and just looks sloppy. The key is finding a middle ground, something with just enough structure to define your frame, but enough softness to move with your body. And here's a detail most men overlook. The fabric. Wool is the classic go-to, but if you really want to step up your game, look for a textured fabric like hopsack, a lightweight wool linen blend, or even an unstructured tweed. These fabrics give the coat depth, which means it doesn't just sit flat on your body, it adds dimension, which instantly makes you look more refined. The best part? A sport coat like this works everywhere. Wear it over a t-shirt with dark jeans, and you look effortlessly cool. Throw it over a dress shirt, and you're ready for dinner or a meeting. It's not about being dressed up or casual, it's about looking right for any situation. The pants that make you look like you have your life together. Let's talk about pants. Most men over 40 either live in jeans or default to chinos because they feel like the only other option. But here's the thing. Your choice of pants says more about you than you think. Jeans are great, but they're not always the best option. The problem is that most guys wear jeans that don't fit properly, and they stick to outdated cuts that make them look older than they are. Slim, straight, dark denim is always a solid choice, but if you really want to elevate your wardrobe, you need a pair of well-fitted wool trousers. Now, most men hear wool trousers and immediately think of dress pants, but that's not what I'm talking about. A well-made pair of wool trousers isn't stiff, uncomfortable, or overly formal. It's one of the most flexible pieces you can own. They drape far better than jeans, which means they make your legs look longer and leaner. And unlike chinos, they actually hold their shape throughout the day, meaning you'll still look sharp even after hours of wear. The key is finding the right fit and fabric. If they're too tight, they look forced. If they're too loose, they make you look sloppy. You want a slim, straight fit with a slight taper toward the ankle. And when it comes to color, forget black. Charcoal, deep brown, or heather gray are much more versatile. They pair well with dress shoes, loafers, and even minimalist sneakers, making them the ultimate go-between when you want to look polished but not overdressed. Most men don't even consider wool trousers outside of a suit, which is exactly why they're such an underrated piece. They instantly make you stand out, but in a way that looks effortless, not try hard. Why your t-shirts are probably holding you back. A t-shirt is one of the most basic things a man can wear. But that's exactly why most men get it wrong. They assume any t-shirt will do, not realizing that a bad t-shirt can ruin an otherwise great outfit. Here's what separates a well-dressed man from an average one. He understands the difference between a cheap, boxy t-shirt and a well-made one that actually enhances his physique. Most guys wear t-shirts that are too big, too thin, or just plain low quality. They stretch out after a few washes, they wrinkle easily, and worst of all, they make you look like you put zero effort into your appearance. A great t-shirt, on the other hand, should have structure. It should fit snug in the chest and arms without being tight in the stomach. The fabric should have some weight to it. Pima cotton, merino wool, or even a high-quality cotton blend. These materials drape better, last longer, and give you a cleaner, more refined look. Color choice matters too. Instead of the usual black and white, try deep navy, charcoal, or even muted earth tones like olive or burgundy. These colors give a sense of depth to your outfit and pair effortlessly with your wardrobe staples. A simple t-shirt might seem like the least important thing in your closet, but when done right, it becomes one of the most powerful tools in your style arsenal. Your belt is saying more than you think. Most men don't put any thought into their belt. It's just there to hold up their pants, right? Wrong. Your belt is a small detail, but it has a huge impact on how your outfit comes together. Most guys default to the same old worn-out leather belt they've had for years, never realizing how much it's dating their look. If your belt is cracked, stretched, or has an oversized buckle, it's bringing down your entire outfit. A suede belt is one of the easiest ways to elevate your style without trying too hard. Suede adds texture, which makes your outfit look more intentional. If suede isn't your thing, a woven leather belt adds the same depth while keeping it classic. And here's a tip most men don't follow. Your belt should complement your shoes, not match them exactly. A dark brown belt with slightly different toned brown loafers looks far more natural than a perfect color match. These small upgrades seem insignificant on their own, but when you put them together, they make a massive difference in how you look and feel. The shoes that quietly elevate your entire look. Most men don't pay nearly enough attention to their shoes. They'll invest in a great suit, a well-fitted blazer, or a high-quality pair of jeans, but then completely ruin the outfit with outdated, worn-out, or inappropriate footwear. And here's the thing, people notice shoes. It's one of the first things they subconsciously check when they see you. A bad pair of shoes can make even a well-dressed man look sloppy, while the right pair instantly elevates your entire presence. So what's the problem? Most men over 40 are still wearing the wrong type of shoes for their lifestyle. Maybe they have an old, clunky pair of dress shoes that they've had for a decade. Or they rely too much on sneakers, thinking they can get away with wearing them in every situation. The solution? You need a balance between dressy and casual. A shoe that works across multiple settings and makes every outfit look intentional. A pair of suede loafers or sleek Chelsea boots does exactly that. Suede loafers, in particular, are one of the most underrated style moves a man can make. They give you an effortlessly polished look, but they're not too formal. So they pair just as well with jeans as they do with wool trousers. Go for brown or dark tan. They work with almost everything. If you're more of a boot guy, Chelsea boots in suede or smooth leather are an instant upgrade. The clean lines of a Chelsea boot elongate your legs and create a more refined silhouette. Whether you wear them with jeans and a t-shirt or trousers and a sweater, they add a level of sophistication without making it look like you're trying too hard. And let's not forget maintenance. One of the biggest mistakes men make is letting their shoes go to waste. A well-made pair of shoes should last you years if you take care of them. That means using shoe trees, conditioning the leather, and making sure they're always clean and polished. Shoes might seem like a small detail, but trust me, they can make or break your entire outfit. The sweater that makes you look sophisticated without trying. A lot of men don't realize just how powerful the right sweater can be. It's not just about staying warm, it's about adding depth and texture to your look in a way that makes you stand out subtly. The problem is that most guys either don't own the right type of sweater, or they wear ones that make them look older and bulkier than they actually are. A thick, heavy, oversized sweater adds unnecessary bulk to your frame. If it's stretched out or sagging at the sleeves, it instantly makes you look frumpy and unstructured. And don't even get me started on zip-up fleece or hoodies. Those belong in your loungewear rotation, not your everyday wardrobe. So what should you wear instead? A lightweight merino wool or cashmere sweater. These materials drape far better on your body than thick cotton or synthetic blends. They enhance your physique rather than drowning it in excess fabric. And they give you a refined, sophisticated look that works across multiple occasions. The best part? They layer perfectly. A fine-gauge merino wool sweater fits comfortably under a sport coat, making it a perfect alternative to a dress shirt on cooler days. If you want a more casual look, it works just as well with jeans and Chelsea boots. Colors matter too. Stick to navy, charcoal, olive, or deep burgundy. These tones add richness to your outfit without looking too loud. Avoid bright colors or chunky patterns. Subtle texture is the way to go. A well-fitted sweater is one of the simplest ways to add instant sophistication to your style. Why a high-quality leather bag is a non-negotiable. Most men don't think about their carry items as part of their style. They'll spend time perfecting their outfits, making sure their shoes and belts match, and then they walk out the door carrying a cheap, worn-out nylon backpack or a dated messenger bag. Here's the thing, your bag is an extension of your style. It's just as much a part of your look as your shoes or your jacket. And if you're over 40, you should have a bag that reflects your level of refinement. The solution? A well-crafted leather briefcase or weekender bag. A structured leather briefcase or messenger bag gives you that professional edge, whether you're heading to work, traveling, or just carrying everyday essentials. It doesn't need to be overly fancy or complicated. It just needs to be made from high-quality leather and designed with clean lines. And if you travel often or need something a bit more casual, a leather weekender bag is one of the best investments you can make. Whether you're going on a short trip or just need extra space, a well-made duffel-style leather bag screams sophistication. The key here is avoiding cheap leather and unnecessary hardware. You don't want something overly shiny, stiff, or covered in metal zippers and buckles. A soft, rich leather that ages beautifully over time is what you should be aiming for. Most men overlook this, but trust me, once you carry a well-made leather bag, your entire look feels more put together. The watch that completes your look without trying too hard. If there's one thing that separates a stylish man from the rest, it's his attention to the small details. And nothing speaks louder in the world of style than a well-chosen timepiece. A lot of guys either wear the wrong watch for the occasion or even worse, don't wear one at all. And yes, I get it. Your phone tells the time. But a watch isn't just about function. It's about presence, attention to detail, and the message you send without saying a word. The key is to wear a watch that suits your lifestyle. If you're dressed up often, a simple dress watch with a leather strap is the way to go. Think minimalist dials, thin cases, and understated details. A Cartier tank, Jaeger LeCoultre Reverso, or even a well-made Seiko dress watch can add an effortless layer of sophistication. For everyday wear, a stainless steel sports watch is a no-brainer. Something like a Rolex Datejust, Omega Aquaterra, or Grand Seiko works in both casual and business settings. The key here is balance. You don't want anything too flashy or oversized. And if you're a guy who still wears a rubber fitness watch everywhere, it's time to retire it. Keep that for the gym, not for your everyday outfits. The right watch does more than just tell time. It completes your look, subtly signaling that you pay attention to the details that matter. The right outerwear. Why your jacket matters more than you think. Your outerwear is the first thing people notice, yet most men over 40 don't give it enough thought. They stick to bulky, outdated coats or cheap synthetic jackets that completely ruin their look. The key is structure and fit. A well-fitted wool overcoat in navy, camel, or charcoal instantly elevates any outfit. It frames your shoulders, adds structure, and makes you look refined. Unlike puffer jackets, which add bulk, a tailored overcoat enhances your physique. For a more casual option, go for a suede jacket or a structured bomber. Suede adds texture and depth, giving you a polished yet relaxed look. A bomber jacket, when fitted correctly, brings a modern, masculine edge that works with almost everything. Avoid oversized, baggy coats. Your outerwear should hug your shoulders, taper slightly at the waist, and end at the right length. When done right, your jacket completes your look effortlessly. The sunglasses that actually complement your face. Sunglasses aren't just for blocking the sun, they're one of the most powerful accessories you can own. But most men either wear cheap plastic frames or wraparound sports sunglasses that make them look like they just left a cycling race. The biggest mistake? Wearing the wrong shape. If your sunglasses don't complement your face shape, they throw off your entire look. The fix is simple. Round face? Go for angular frames like Wayfarers. Square face? Softer, rounded edges balance out sharp angles. Oval face? Almost anything works, just avoid oversized frames. And ditch the cheap plastic. A solid pair of acetate or metal frame sunglasses instantly makes you look more polished. Sunglasses are a small detail, but when you get them right, they elevate your entire appearance. When you get these details right, dressing well becomes effortless. You don't have to overthink it, and you'll always look like a man who knows exactly what he's doing. And listen, quality matters. The pieces I've mentioned in this video aren't just random style picks. They're investment pieces. Clothing that fits better, lasts longer, and makes you stand out in the right way. That's why I've linked some of the best options in the description below. These are the kind of upgrades that take your wardrobe to the next level. And if you're serious about dressing like a gentleman, they're absolutely worth it. If you're ready to refine your style even further, check out this next video where I break down even more essentials every man over 40 needs. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.